Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, I'll be looking to unbox 5 of my Greenlight collectibles, and I've got this showroom floor series. They're pretty cool. I've got a 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe RST. I've got Series 1 and Series 4 and 5. I've got a 2022 Ford Explorer ST. I've got a 2022 Dodge Ram 3500. I've got a 2023 Ford Explorer ST, and I've got another 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe LS. Okay, let's start off with the Showroom Floor Series 1. This one's a 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe RST. That's a beautiful vehicle, guys. It's got nice dark burgundy red color scheme, black roof rails, side mirrors, chrome on the side mirrors. It's got side steps, painted headlights, Chevy logo, metal chassis base, painted taillights, chrome exhaust, Chevy logo. Just beautiful, guys. Okay, next up, let's look at this beautiful 2022 Ford Explorer ST, one of the most popular vehicles when it comes to police cars in the States and in Canada as well. I guess they're built to last and built quite tough. That's a beautifully designed and well-made car, guys. I love Greenlight releases. Pretty accurate to the real one. Okay, this one's got plastic headlights, black grille with the Ford logo, Explorer on the hood, side mirrors, no other livery or details on the sides, painted taillights, Explorer on the back with the Ford logo, chrome exhaust, metal chassis. Pretty neat, guys. Okay, next up, let's look at this beautiful 2022 Dodge Ram 3500. This one's got a nice, beautiful burgundy color scheme as well. That's a beautiful piece, guys. Pretty good looking model. I like the Ram on the side. It's got chrome side steps. The tray doesn't open up. It's got Dodge logo at the back, chrome bumpers, plastic taillights, beautiful 6-spoke rims, chrome bumper in the front, fog lights, chrome grille, Ram on the grille, plastic headlights, beautiful wide side mirrors, a bit of black accents on the top. Loving it, guys. Okay, next up is this beautiful 2023 Ford Explorer ST, but this one's in red. The previous one we had a look at was a 2022 model, and this one's a 2023, and this one's a Series 4. The other one was from Series 1. Simply beautiful, guys. I love the bright red on this one. Explorer on the hood like the previous one. Beautiful Ford logo. This one's just painted headlights. The previous one had plastic headlights. Fog lights as well. Side mirrors. Painted tail lights. Chrome exhaust. The Explorer is pretty dark on this one. I hope you guys can see it. Ford logo. Metal chassis, rubber tires. You can't ask for more, guys. I thought I'll just do a quick side-by-side, guys. The white one's got beautiful plastic headlights, but I'm happy with the painted ones as well. Pretty neat, guys. All right, down to the last one. This one's a Showroom Floor Series 5, and it's another beautiful 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe LS in a bright red color scheme, guys. Okay, that's the beautiful car, guys, or rather SUV. I like the gold Chevy logo on this one. The other one just had like a silhouette. Painted headlights, black grille, side mirrors, Tahoe on the side. Hope you guys can see that. Painted taillights, chrome exhaust, Tahoe under the logo. Roof rails have been painted chrome. There's no side steps on this one. Metal chassis. Incredible, guys. I thought I'll just do another quick side-by-side comparisons, guys. The 2022 version has the side steps, but the 23 one doesn't. That's what I mentioned about the logo. This one's got the nice, beautiful gold Chevy logo. And this one's got black mirrors or windows. They look more tinted, but the one on the right is just clear see-through windows. Alright guys, that's all the cars we had to look at today in today's unboxing video. We started off with the 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe RST. We had to look at the 2022 Ford Explorer ST. Then we had to look at this beautiful 2022 Dodge Ram 3500. Then we had to look at this 2023 Ford Explorer ST. And the last one we had to look at was this beautiful 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe LS. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all. And I'll catch you in my next unboxing video. Thanks, guys.